Started Skillbring, it's been a year. I was working with one of the reputed institution where I realized that no institution was ready to take responsibility of a trainee for the placements. That is when I started Skillbring with sole intention of providing all the necessary training and facilities with hospitality and aviation. In this 1 year of period, we started as 2, now we are 50 plus. I'm looking forward to grow more. We here at Skillbring give it to you in writing that we are responsible to get their first job. And this way, we want to become number 1 industry.
We take in students who are pursuing second PUC, wherein we help them with their life skills and board exam preparations, which in turn helps them in taking up challenges further in their life. We also teach them certain basic computer skills, life skills as in critical thinking, decision making, stress management, time management, discipline, and mental health and physical health. As part of the aviation or in any corporate career, we teach them communication skills, interview skills, and interpersonal skills. We have dedicated, well-qualified language trainers for English and Hindi speaking. We encourage such students who feel they cannot get into such jobs only because of the lack of knowledge in the language skills. That is where we stand out, where we encourage such people, we train them with the speaking skills and we get them placed. As for the Hindi, we have Dr. Srilata, who has done her doctorate in Hindi literature, a poet and a passionate teacher. For aviation courses, we have 2 different trainers, one for the passenger department and another for the cargo department.
A lot of effort, devotion, hard work and determination has gone into establishing this institution. Skillbring, which was started with 5 people, is now a family of more than 50 people. Skillbring has taught many valuable life lessons, things like punctuality, perfection and unity.
ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮನಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಹಿಂದಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗಿಂದ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ.
मैं बेंगलोर में अपना करियर बनाने के लिए आई थी. सर्च करके समहाउ मुझे स्किलब्रिंग के बारे में पता चला, क्योंकि मैंने इतने ज़्यादा इंस्टीट्यूट विजिट किए हैं जहाँ पर प्लेसमेंट के नाम पर आपको एक लंबी सी लिस्ट दे दी जाती है. उसमें बोलते हैं कि ये आपको सिखाएंगे, जिसमें से हार्डली ही वो कुछ ही चीज़ें सिखाते हैं. समहाउ अगर आपको एविएशन में वर्क नहीं भी करना है तो आप कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में मूव कर सकते हो. यहाँ पर आने के बाद आपको प्लेसमेंट की जो गारंटी दी जाती है, उनके साथ साथ आपको खुद भी वो कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है दैट डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट अ जॉब, बिकॉज उस तरह का सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस आपके अंदर बिल्डअप किया जाता है.
12th కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత నేను ఏం చేయాలో, ఏ కోర్స్ తీసుకోవాలో నాకు తెలియలేదు. మా బ్రదర్ స్కిల్బ్రింగ్స్లో ఏవియేషన్ కోర్స్ సజెస్ట్ చేశాడు. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత నా லைஃப் ஸ்டைல், டிசிப்ளின் அன்னி சேஞ்ச் ஆகி
ஒரு நாள் எனக்கு ஸ்கில்பிரிங்லேருந்து கால் வந்துச்சு. அப்போ இங்கே வந்து பார்த்தம்போது எங்கள் பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் அது எல்லாம் கொடுத்துட்டு இருந்தாங்க. எல்லாம் எனக்கு ப்ளஸ் பாயிண்ட்டாகவே முடிஞ்சிச்சு. நான் இப்போ ஏரோநாட்டிக்ஸ் படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன், அதுக்கும் அவங்க தான் காரணம். എല്ലാമേ എനിക്ക് പ്ലസ് പോയിൻ്റാണ് മാറിയിട്ട് ഇരിക്കുക.
സ്കിൽബ്രിങ്ക് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഒരു ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷനെ കുറിച്ച് സംസാരിക്കാനാണ് ഞാൻ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായി 1 വർഷമായി കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഇതിന് മെയിനായിട്ട് ഞാൻ ചേർന്നത് ലൈഫ് സ്കിൽസ് പഠിക്കാനാണ്. ലൈഫ് സ്കിൽസ് പഠിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് എനിക്ക് എൻ്റെ എക്സാമിനേഷനും അത് വളരെയധികം ഉപകാരപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. ലൈഫ് സ്കിൽസ് മെയിൻലി നമുക്ക് കോർപ്പറേറ്റ് വേൾഡിനുള്ളിൽ നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഫിറ്റ് ആവേണ്ടത്, ഇൻ്റർവ്യൂസിനുള്ള ടിപ്സ് ആൻഡ് ട്രിക്സ് എല്ലാതും ഇവരോട് പറഞ്ഞു തരും. ഞാൻ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇത് റെക്കമെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്.
अभी +2 कंप्लीट किया हूँ. पहले मैं बहुत डरता था कि या पास होने के लिए. फिर मैं स्किलब्रिंग इंस्टीट्यूट को ज्वाइन किया. वहाँ पर बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन और लाइफ स्किल ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है. वहाँ पर मैंने फर्स्ट क्लास से पास किया हूँ. 12th पास होने के बाद मुझे एविएशन फील्ड में जाना चाहता था, जो कि स्किलब्रिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन ने मुझे आगे बढ़ने का मौका दिया.
I have a passion of training the people over here at Skillbring. The reason why, because the difficulties which I faced when I wanted to join this industry was a very great experience for me. We are providing the training for students to join the airline industry with a proper navigation system. And most importantly, apart from training or guiding the students over here, we are moreover into focusing of taking the responsibilities to get their first job at the industry. That's the reason I'm very much proud of myself to be a part of SkillBrink as a trainer and the placement officer.
I have started my career in terms of teaching in the top universities, where I have worked in the ramp area, where I have handled almost all the airlines like British Airways, Cathay Pacific, KLM, Air France, Lufthansa, Singapore Airlines, Emirates Airlines, Etihad Airlines, so on and so forth. I'm coming back to the Air India flights, Indian Express, Jet Airways, Indigo Airlines, I've worked. So I know every aspect of the aviation industry in terms of narrow body as well as the wide body aircraft. As you know, India is the third largest aviation industry in the world at the moment. I have taught in various other institutes as well. I found SkillBrink is one of the best institutes of Bangalore at the moment.
Actually, how I came to know about SkillBrink is, unfortunately, I went to an office in Synergy 2 workspace, and I was talking to the client and saw the poster of SkillBrink, and I just connected with the director Sweta, and she explained me all these things, what they will provide and job facilities what they will provide, and I was impressed, and I immediately joined my brother. Actually, it is best for PUC and graduates to get a job in aviation and hospitality management.
What I really liked with the institute was the way they have been, focusing on additional things, something like this, every day morning they send a SMS to check out if the students have been, wake up early and, are they going for a gym, are they doing physical activities, they're also concentrating on their food habits. So these are the few things, which actually, I feel good about it. I wish all the best for the SkillBrink and all the students over here.
There is no other training institute in any field who will give you a written promise of 100% job placement. But here we do it, and I am proud to be a part of a SkillBrink.
So we believe in authentic training and the first job placements.
Welcome to the SkillBrink family. We train, prepare and place you.